So hello and welcome to CMS Manhattan channel, and with Docker containers would like to introduce all services of CMS Manhattan to give you better understanding why you need that. Actually, this is e-commerce platform, e-commerce set of many microservices based on Spring Boot framework, and we have a model is notification model, catalog model to show your items. You can build any commerce system with our models, and shipping model and resolution center to resolve some issue with delivery, some tickets, and purchase model, which can show you list of items which you buy, and offer model, you can send offer to somebody and exchange offers, do counter offers. And we have also action model. Would like to do action, you can do this like eBay. And also you have a signal server. It's designed to use WebRTC protocol for conference video calls, like Telegram and WhatsApp. And also we have an order model, which allow you to keep orders, big orders, track orders, order history, something like this. Also we have a publisher model designed to post review, post items, post something, everything in CMS Manhattan. And also we have a identity model. Identity model is a web service, of course, which generate JWT token in order to communicate with other modules. How it works actually? You getting once you got JWT token after authorization or registration, then you send this token to any web services to authorize you. Every web services communicates over cache layer with many approaches. Current approach, we have a Oracle cache provider, which open source version, but you can easily use Redis and Kafka to do this. Yeah, we have many options. Also, we have a payment model, and also track payments and see who did this payment, how much, all history, like balance, check balances, everything, if something wrong. Next, we have a Webmail model. Webmail model, this is of course email, which work with Apache James mail server, and also we have mobile version for that. Also, we have a vector database for our RAG system, to do embedding search for our RAG system, for artificial intelligence system. Also, we have a core old version of CMS Manhattan classic G2E system. This is core our system. If you don't like use any extensions, you can use just primary classic style with templates to change, modify templates for your e-commerce solution. Templates, those templates made on XLT technology and do transformation on client side. Yeah, I designed MVC framework based on Java with Java annotation, and make cool features to generate HTML text on browser on client side. Somebody like this, somebody no, but it worked very fast. Next, we have a AI server based on Alama. And so we have an embedded database, and we have an embedding model, and also we have a just classic model for Gen AI. We do combination embedding model to get embed, and this embeds in our vector database for search. It's a part of our RAG system, and send send some embeds back to LLM and Gen AI LLM to get response for client, and actually how it works. And we have also Angular design. If somebody would like use our extensions, our web services, which you can see around. For example, for scale, if you would like to scale our CMS, we have many services which you can see around, like payment orders. You can scale everything. For enterprise version, if you need to serve too much client like Amazon, eBay, that's maybe a good choice. Also, we have a chatbot, a CMS AI server, also consume our RAG system. And also we have a load balancer, many load balancer, software load balancer for RAG system, for chatbots, which use like a sticky chat session, and also redirect every request to particular Docker container, because we have to keep chat with particular model once the chat is open, it's not closed. It's similar like sticky session and HTTP. People use the same approach. And we have other load balancer for many other different purposes. And also we have a webmail, which mail can add, remove user for webmail admin, sorry, for our webmail, and work also with Apache James. Also, we have IP gateway to consolidate all requests in one point. If somebody like microservice approach, IP gateway pattern would be a better choice to consolidate all requests in one point for our for your UI developers. best approach. If some people like that, it's okay. We have also many other load balancers for many other purposes. Webmail load balancer, and based on some criteria to make more advanced load balancing for our webmail mobile instances. Also, we have a file server, which integrated with many other storage systems like S3 and Hadoop and local file system to keep our files on external storage, something like that. It's sometimes helpful, sometimes no. I use a local file system, but I can deploy on S3 or Hadoop if somebody like that. For example, Amazon S3 service will work. Okay, next we have a config server. Config server gives us opportunity to distribute all settings for all web services in one point. It's like point of integration of all settings for our system. Also, we also use discovery pattern for microservices. We use Eureka, which will do help do load balancing between our microservices, and will make pool for our instances for particular server, and check availability for every server, and every node will be available, managing by discovery service. Okay, and discovery service also help you to monitor all your web services and how many instances of each web services you have in your pool, and you can see status of every web services, and that's it. That's very brief review. Subscribe for my channels, for my group, if you would like my project. If you like my project, of course, please make donation and subscribe my channels. Bye.